to today's video. In this video, we'll be drawing a really adorable scene of a mother panda and her baby together. Oh, and don't forget, at the end of the video there will be a little game. Find the different panda among a forest of identical pandas. Let's see if you have a keen eye. Start by sketching the two pandas with soft, gentle lines. Please follow along with me as we color step by step from the very first rough strokes to the finished painting with bright, lively color blocks. While the picture gradually comes to life, let's learn a bit about these lovable pandas. The giant panda, commonly just called the panda, is one of the world's most distinctive and rare animals. Their homeland is the high mountain regions of China, where long stretches of green bamboo forests grow. These environments provide not only food but also safe shelter, an essential factor that has helped pandas survive for generations. Pandas are famous for their striking black and white fur, which makes them look instantly charming to anyone who sees them. But few people know that this thick, two-toned coat actually helps them camouflage very well among snowy mountain forests. That contrast is also our inspiration for coloring in this painting, using light and dark areas to highlight expression and give depth to the image. Alright, our sketch is finished. Now let's color the mother and baby pandas to make them come alive. First, I'll use blue for most of the body. Before you start coloring, remember to choose your palette and test it on a scrap of paper so you can control the tones you like best. A panda's favorite food is bamboo. They can eat for up to 12 hours a day and consume more than 10 to 15 kilograms of bamboo. This heavy eating habit makes pandas deeply tied to bamboo forests. You'll notice I draw many branches and leaves to create a natural setting for the mother and baby. Although they are related to bears, pandas are gentle and are almost exclusively herbivorous. Occasionally they eat a little fruit or bird eggs, but bamboo remains the main item in their daily diet. Did you know? Newborn panda cubs are extremely small. They weigh only about 100 grams at birth, lighter than a battery. But with their mother's care, they grow very quickly. Mother pandas are incredibly gentle and patient, always holding their babies close, licking their fur, and keeping them warm for many months. The bond between mother and cub is a symbol of love and protection. Much like the scene we are painting, the mother smiling at her child, while the baby excitedly holds a green bamboo shoot. Now I'll use yellow for the remaining parts of the body. Pandas are also symbols of peace and friendship. For many years, China has gifted pandas to other countries as diplomatic gestures. This panda diplomacy spreads a message of goodwill and cooperation. That meaning has made the panda a global icon when we draw them. We're also telling a story about peace and sharing. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, the number of pandas in the wild has increased. Although they remain rare, we hope these lovable animals will always survive, reminding us to cherish nature and care for all living creatures around us. about pandas is not only creative, but also a way to spread awareness about conservation, something I always want to share with you. Add a little orange red for the ears and mouth. Use green to color the baby panda's bamboo shoot. Then go over the outline so our painting looks clean and tidy. Now add some extra colors to make our painting really pop. You can add soft shadows and highlights on the eyes and nose to create depth. A few small glints will make the painting shine on camera. And there we have it! Our painting of the mother and baby panda is complete! Do you think the two pandas are adorable? Now for the most fun part, the Find the Different Panda game. I'll show you an image with many identical pandas, but only one is different. Look closely and leave a comment if you find it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for drawing with me and exploring the adorable world of this mother and baby panda today. See you in the next videos with more lively paintings and delightful stories.